How are you putting it? Tell me what you're putting it. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video on Weekend Vibes with Shornette, guys. I'm making some porridge this morning. I'm making cornmeal porridge. So, welcome if you're new, welcome if you're returning. Big up yourself for all those who are joining, watching my videos, sharing my videos, and subscribing. If you're a new subscriber, please comment and let me know where you are subscribing from. Because this morning I want to big up Malik from Missouri. Thank you for joining, Malik. Thank you for suggesting those recipes. I will be sharing some of those recipes very soon. So comment and let me know where you are subscribing from. Remember, it is always a vibe on Weekend Vibes with Shornette. So subscribe. Okay guys, let's look at what I'm going to use in my cornmeal porridge this morning. Guys, I'm using cornmeal. I'm also using some evaporated milk as well as some coconut milk. I'm going to be spicing it up with some vanilla essence and cinnamon stick as well as some cinnamon leaves. I'm going to be adding those to the water when I'm boiling. I'm adding in some nutmeg and I'm sweetening it with some condensed milk. So you can use another sweetener of your choice, but I like to use condensed milk. So guys, these are all I'm using in my porridge this morning. So guys, stay tuned. First I'm gonna get some water ready. I'm gonna add in some salt to taste. And when you sweeten, you can add in more salt if you need. I'm also going to add in the 1 cinnamon stick and 2 cinnamon leaves. I'm going to bring that to a boil. So for this porridge, I'm going to use about 2 cups of cornmeal. And I'm going to mix that out with a cup of water. I'm going to mix it in. Add it in another cup. I want to mix it out so there are no lumps in there. So that's good. So I use 2 cups of cornmeal and I use 2 cups of water to mix it out. And I have about a cup of water boiling. And then I'm going to add in my evaporated milk as I go along. So you can use any milk for flavor as you see fit. You can use evaporated milk, and you can also use coconut milk if you have it. Lasco milk. Any powdered milk of your choice. So the water is ready, guys. So I'm gonna add in the cornmeal. And I've turned the burner all the way down. And I'm gonna whisk it in. And you want to keep stirring with the whisk to avoid lumps. And you can turn the burner back up a little to bring it to a boil. It's gonna be great, guys. Keep watching. So I'm gonna cover it and leave it until it starts. You see the bubbles coming up and it starts bubbling and cooking. And then I'm going to add in some of my evaporated milk. So guys, I added in the evaporated milk, and I'm gonna add in some Grace coconut milk. And with porridge, you have to stir. You have to keep stirring for a while and to avoid the lumps. And keep the flame on low. I think I like the consistency like this, so I'm just gonna add a little more milk. And just leave it to cook. Okay guys, it's cooking down nicely. Once it starts bubbling like this, you just allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. And you keep the flame on low. Okay guys, keep watching. I've added everything. I just need to sweeten it, add in some nutmeg and some vanilla and sweeten it up. Guys, I'm adding in some nutmeg. I'm just judging it. It's about half teaspoon, and I'm gonna add in some vanilla. I'm adding in 3 cork. And sweeten to taste. Guys, I'm having my cornmeal porridge with some crackers, and these are cinnamon crackers, Excelsior cinnamon crackers with some butter, and some of my callaloo and saltfish from yesterday. That's my porridge right there. Looks good and it tastes good. So let's dig in, guys. Tastes good. Nice and creamy. How are you putting it? Tell me what you putting it. How are you putting it? Guys, it's a vibe. Subscribe, guys. See you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. How are you putting it?
Afrobeat, it's Afrobeat,